Good morning, friends. Today we are going to start with some new chapters about the pages. We are going to learn today how to work on the pages horizontally, vertically, the difference between a spread and a page, and how to rotate a page, and some more functionality or more options about the pages. So see here, I inserted few pages here, around 6 pages I inserted, and here are the pages. So by default it is given, the page is given 2 columns, so that's why it is coming to column, and here no columns are given. So manually we can give column to a page also. I'm clicking to the page option, selecting here, going to properties, go to margin and columns. Here I can increase the number of the columns, so it is 2. So you can see the single page having 2 columns right now. And when I'm going to insert some text here, I'll go to the type tool, I click here and drag to a section for making a thread. This selection is text selection is known as the thread, and right click here, going to the fill with placeholder text, so it will insert by default some default text. So here few pages are there. Right now I'm going to insert a picture here. I'll go to file, place, and I'm inserting interface bg. One picture is there, open, and I'm doing Ctrl Z because the thread is activated, so that's why it is inserted there. I don't want to insert there, I'm just clicking here. So it's a big page, a big image actually, so I'm clicking here to the free transform tool, making it a small size, bring it to the page, or Ctrl minus for zooming out, and making a small size. Yes, then Ctrl plus, and okay, so and a little bit zooming out. Okay, I want to rotate it, so I'm selecting this picture, right click on that, going to transform, rotate. I can give here also 90°. So like this I can rotate. I'm clicking here and pasting here. Okay, so the picture is inserted here. I want to see it here horizontally. It's not in a vertical way. I want to see in horizontal way. So for that purpose I have to make the page rotate. So I'm telling right now how to do rotating of a page. So my page is activated. I'm going to pages. Here is the picture. I'm selecting the page, right click here, going to page attribute. Here rotate spread view is there. I'm clicking here, rotate page view. Okay, here CW. So you can see here the page is rotated. You can see here only these 2 pages are rotated, not the rest of pages. So this is the page, and like this way you can rotate a page. Okay, so again I have to mention, I'm going to mention here what is the difference between a spread and a page. See, all these are known as the pages. Right now 6 pages are there, but spread mean while we are seeing dual page at a time, so these 2 pages is known as the spread. So I can make this 2 pages as to in one line 4 pages also. That can be possible by going to, I'm right clicking here, going to allow document page shuffle. I have to close this one, right click, pages allow to spread to shuffle, close this one. And if I drag it and drop it here, you can see here, can see here 4 pages at a time. I can do one thing, so I'll go to here, right click there, and page attribute, rotate view, I'm doing the page to CC top. So right now you can see 4 pages at a time. Alright, like this also you can shuffle the page, and you can make one page to multiple spreads. These are the spreads. You have to remember, while more than one page at a time visibility will be there, that is known as the spread. And while a text frame is there and you are inserting some text to that, that text frame is known as a thread. So see here, I can bring multiple threads also by clicking here. I click here, I can click here again, it will be make another thread, and I'm going to text tool, I'm clicking here, right click here, I can insert the placeholder text. So like this way you can create multiple threads, you can bring multiple spreads at a time, and you can shuffle the page, you can rotate the page, I can highlight the page also. As you can see here, a red color mark is there in page number 6 and page number 2. Also pink color is there highlighted, so I can make a highlight to a page also. So how we can do, I am saying right, telling you right now that one. Right click on that, go to the page attribute, color label, so you can create a give a label to a page, like I'm giving violet color. So see right now violet. See, maybe question arise in your mind that why it's necessary to give a label to a page. See, while we are making a book or a magazine of multiple pages, like 50, 60 or 100 pages, while we are making that time, for giving highlighting the page or giving importance to the page according to its content, we can make it, or we can give different label to the pages, and I can highlight for particular option purpose, particular label to label color to few pages, and some different label to different label color to different pages. Like that I can give different label to different pages also. So that's the use of the label. So what is the difference between a spread, what's the difference between a page and spread, and thread, how to bring a picture to a page and rotate to a page, how to give a label to the page. So we learn all these things. So stay connected, and please keep on watching my next videos.